welcome back to Twoguysfinance channel. And today I'm going to be answering the question, is it possible to apply for both an open work permit and spousal sponsorship at the same time? And my answer is yes, it is very possible. But the specific conditions depend on your situation and the country you're applying to. So today I'll be focusing on Australia. Now, if you're applying to Australia for a spousal sponsorship, also called a partner visa, the process involves applying for a partner visa subclasses 820 and 801 if you're sponsoring your spouse for permanent residency. The application requires proof of your genuine relationship and can take several months or even years. Now, if you're applying for open work permit, notice once your spouse is granted a partner visa that is subclass 820 or 801, they can work in Australia. The partner visa allows your spouse to live and work in the country while their permanent residency application is processed. So, hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more.